Hi everyone, I'm Christian, this is Danko, and in today's video we're having a look at some inexpensive Bluetooth headphones. Stay tuned! I've recently decided to pick up running again, and I even signed up for a half marathon race this summer. What really helps me in training for that is listening to music, and that's why I decided to pick up a wireless pair of headphones. In this case, these are the Anker Soundbuds Slim. I bought them off Amazon for around £16 or $20, and they seem to be pretty promising because they've got over 9,000 reviews. The aim of this video is to try and establish how good they are and whether actually you can get a decent pair of headphones for not that much money. And my plan for now is to unbox them and see what we got in there. The setup of the headphones is actually really easy. All you need to do is press the middle button for more than 3 seconds, which turns the headphones on, and when you see the LED flashing, this means that they're in pairing mode. Then you need to go over to your device, and in the Bluetooth settings you should look for Soundbuds Slim and then try to pair them. Once the LED goes solid, this means that they have been paired and you're pretty much ready to go. Now that we have them connected, all that is left is to put them on and get to running. Here we are, 10 kilometers later. I think the headphones performed really well. Quite like them. Hello guys, just back from another run out testing the headphones. Let me get a quick shower and I'll come back and tell you more about them. Better. Now let's have a look at those headphones. In the end, if I have to give you my opinion, I can say that I'm quite impressed with these headphones. When I got them, I didn't really have any big expectations, but I later found out that these are a great sounding pair of headphones that have a really nice build quality. They feel sturdy and you don't really think they will break in your hands. And also they managed to fit quite well into my ears, which is a bonus. I also managed to find out that they do last the 7 hours that are claimed by the manufacturer. And also I didn't really have any issues with sweating or water from running in the rain. The only thing that I don't really like that much is the length of the cable, which means that when I have them on, I think that there's quite a lot of cable around, which kind of dangles when you're running. But this is something that I've already gotten used to, so I can't really blame them for it. And overall, I think this is a great product and it provides some really great value for the money. So my honest verdict for it is I'll give it 8.5 out of 10 if I need to put it into a grade perspective. I think that's everything that I have to say about this for now, and I really hope you enjoyed this quick video looking at the Anker Soundbuds Slim. If you like this video, please make sure you click the like button and maybe subscribe. And for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stop now, start that fire.